Hello, you're welcome back to TechBiz YouTube channel, and I'm confident taking you through a comprehensive guide on everything you need to know about Slack. As a way of introduction, Slack, created in 2013 by Stewart Butterfield, the co-founder of Flick, as a way for his team to communicate internally without needing to rely on emails. It has since increased in popularity and use and is one of the most popular communicating tools for businesses. While the name Slack makes people immediately think of its definition of being inactive or lazy, Slack is an acronym that means Searchable Log of All Conversation and Knowledge, SLACK. There are several definitions as to what Slack is, and we'll briefly go through them. First, Slack is a free-to-use project management software that is used to promote team communication. It's primarily a messaging app used for connecting your teams together and is available for desktop and mobile devices. Besides messaging, it allows for file sharing and app integration to increase productivity and efficiency. It's also a helpful tool for project managers to view all communications and progress surrounding their projects. On another hand, Slack can also be described as an online messenger and communication hub for small startups with just a handful of employees and an entire corporation with dozens of development. Features such as video calls and threads facilitate communication and collaboration for teams with a distributed workforce. Slack can help teams communicate more efficiently by replacing emails, text messaging, and instant chats with just one software. That's thanks to desktop and the mobile version of Slack. Moving on, what exactly is Slack used for? To list but a few, Slack can enable your team to interact and coordinate their work no matter where they are. It also gives your team a strong sense of community regardless of when or where they work. Slack can replace emails, text messaging, and instant chat all in one software. Slack can keep all your important information out of your volunteers' personal email accounts. You can also share files and other documents with your teammates, such as image, writings, and video. You can also mention the name of your teammates, which can send them notifications on their computer or mobile phones the way you want them to get attention. You can start a voice or video conference call with your teammates who are on the Slack team. You can also send reminders for yourselves and others. There are inbuilt reminders, Google calendars, and a various to-do list which you can use so that volunteers can track the upcoming events and deadlines. Amazingly, you can even create a fun community accessible by your volunteers and staff whether or not they are in the office. Slack is specifically good for quick questioning and decisions, real-time collaborations, impromptu voice or video chats, gaining attention from someone instantly, quick voting or polls, keeping everyone connected, and instantly onboarding new team members. Finally, Slack possesses a feature of an emoji reaction which customers love and a two-factor authentication that is great for admin. There are two types of chats in Slack, one of which is direct message or DM, which can also be person-to-person chats, and channels messaging, which can also be called group chats. Briefly defining these two types of chats in Slack, channels are referred to as a group of chat rooms with an option to make them either private or public, while direct messages or DM allows for person-to-person chats, which is between individuals and kept out of group access. Taking a more detailed look into what channel is. What is a channel? Slack organizes conversations into dedicated spaces called channels because channels bring order and clarity to work. We can create channels for any project, topic, or teams With the right people and information in one place, team can share ideas, make decisions, and move forward. In Slack, channels can be either private or public. So for public channels, they promote transparency and inclusivity. Any member of your workspace, but not a guest, can view and join a public channel, giving everyone access to the same shared information. Messages or files posted in the public channel can be shared by other members of your workspace. On the other hand, private channels are for conversation that should not be open to all members. People must be added to a private channel by someone who's already a member of that channel. Messages or files posted in a private channel can only be searched by members of that channel. That's why it's private. And on the Slack workspace, there's what is called the Ask General channel. The Ask General channel, which is the only channel that members, though not guests, are automatically added to and are unable to leave. This channel works best when it's used for sharing workspace-wide announcements. The general channel can't be archived, deleted, or converted to a private channel. In our next tutorials, we'll be walking you through how to navigate through the Slack software. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. We'll see you in our next tutorials.